Welcome back everyone after a long time on our channel Master Sub Career Guidance. In this video we are going to discuss what are the career options available for people who have taken BPC, that is biology, physics, chemistry as an option in 12th class. So generally what happens is we have a common notion that we can only take either MBBS or dental. Here, along with MBBS and dental, we are going to look at various other options which a student can opt for. And this video is done in two parts so that we can discuss about the options in more details. So first, starting with the common option which you have, that is for either MBBS or dental, you have a entrance exam called NEET. Here it's an objective based exam, and in that one you'll have questions coming in from botany, zoology, physics and chemistry. That is the four streams which you have for your 12th and 11th class. Now we are going to look what are the options available for us. First is once you have cleared the NEET, you can join any of the AIIMS, which are the topmost colleges in the country, and then you'll have different state medical colleges also, and then you have JIP MER, which is in Tamil Nadu, and then you have Manipal, which is a private university. So these are the top colleges in which you can get admission if you have scored a very high marks in your NEET exam. So we are not going to discuss the NEET exam pattern in this one. Maybe we can have another video for that, NEET or MSET. But in this video we'll just discuss what are the colleges you can offer and what are the courses we have. And for a more detailed list about what are the AIIMS colleges or what are the JPMERs or state universities or colleges, we have actually made it in a power presentation. It's a Word document which you can check it in the description, in which we have provided the link. So after this, next you have the AIPVT, that is the veterinary sciences and animal husbandry courses. Earlier they used to conduct a separate exam, but now again they are again opting for the NEET exam. So person who have qualified in NEET, like for state wise they have the common state exams, but for a national level again these people are also considering the NEET exams. This is conducted by the Veterinary Council of India. Next, the options which are available is the alternate medicine. Like a person does not qualify for either MBBS, or maybe he doesn't get a seat in dental, so there are actually a lot more other alternate medicine options also which you can consider. First is the BUMS, which is the Unani medicines. And again a reminder that all the medicine courses are all 4.5 years and then followed by 1 year internship. Now about this BUMS, it is the Unani medicine surgery. This is actually a Greek study about ancient Greek study about Unani medicines and then the surgeries. Next is BAMS, it is the Bachelors of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. This is Indian based study which we can say, that is the study about the Ayurvedic system which was being followed or practiced since ancient times in our country. So this covers the integrated system, or what are the traditional Ayurvedic medicines which we have. So it's a study about them. Next is the Bachelors of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery, BHMS. Homeopathy is actually a German based study. So again it uses the natural elements in the use of medicines. Next is Bachelors of Naturopathy and Yogic Sciences. This is a study about treatment using natural plants or medicines along with the use of yoga as a form of treatment. Next is Bachelor of Physiotherapy. This is actually a branch which deals with rehabilitation or prevention of physical ailments, and this is again an ancient science where we practice different methods or non-surgical processes which we can say based on exercises to cure a person. Then the last option which we have is the Bachelor of Audiology and Speech Language. Here it is generally used for special kids who have, or even for people who have audio or speech impairment issues. And then this is this study how you can help them, or how you can identify, or you can even prevent this disorders and then help concerned people. Now all this medical courses, they're all 4.5 years course, and then followed by a 1 year internship. And for all these courses, NEET is what the basic entrance exam or qualifying exam which we have. And for courses other than medical, or it is MBBS or dental, the courses which we have discussed, for all of them they are considering 15% quota for NEET, that is for the national level, and then remaining 85% seats would be covered under the state government. Like they have their own state exams, like you have MSET for Telangana or Andhra candidates. So based on that, 85% seat will be covered up. Other than that, you have a lot more options, especially in the BSc fields, where again MSET is the qualifying exam. So in the next video we will discuss the options using that, so that we'll be able to cover the remaining topics. So if you have any queries, you can just write back to us so that we can get back to you. And about the MSET and NEET, we will be making a separate video, maybe especially with the concerned faculty, so that you get a more detailed idea about those entrance exams. This video was done in association with Masters Sub Telangana.
Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel Masters of Career Guidance. Have a great day. Thank you.